Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. It's not Tuesday. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, by the way. So actually, what do we see? We see that the market is actually trying to recover, guys. The market is trying to recover, which is a very good thing because we want the market to recover. You see. But still, we just have to wait for the market to break the resistance and stuff like that. Remember, we have to follow the rules. We have to follow the rules. If there maybe we don't see any opportunity like now, it's not going to be easy for us to trade, especially when the market is very close to the resistance and maybe, sorry, we have that there is a chance for the market to break that resistance and the market might start to push the upside, you see. So which means we have to be extra careful. So if you want to be part of the team, if you want to learn from me, there you can see it's $200. It's 12 months. It's yearly mentorship and VIP signals. If you want monthly signals, it's $45. By the way, yesterday, yes, we did kill, or we did eat on the market, even though later on the market did reverse. But we see very nicely that actually we were right. We did trade. Unfortunately, on Monday, things did not go well. But yesterday, we recovered everything. That's how we trade. You lose some, you win some, and that's how we do it, you see. So let me start with Bitcoin. And I have to make this very quick. Today, I'll just use 2 hours so that we can see nicely what's really happening. Still the same thing. So what we see here is the market has been around here for some time now. You can see that. So what's really happening here is, before we do anything, we can easily see that we are on a downtrend. But this downtrend, since the market rejected from this area, it's been around here since last week. It means maybe the market is thinking about doing something. Maybe it's gonna push up, but we don't have to just stress much about it. As long as we have a structure, as long as we have something that we can say, okay, we're going to follow that. If that structure is not broken, we're not going to do anything. We're still going to do what? To sell. We still have a downtrend there, and which shows that the market still might still push lower. But if not, we might see some sort of rejection from that area up to this point. Then we can say maybe the market will reverse around that area. Yes, there is a chance that the market might still break out of that, which is great because actually it's very good when the market recovers. And now we've been selling for some time, so that sell-off is no longer that strong. By the way, it's no longer that strong, you see. So I hope you understand that. So we are on German 40. What's really happening on German 40? We see nicely that, oh, this thing is trying to break that area. Do you see that? So it means that the market actually is seriously trying to push the upside. We saw it from this area. Then from this area now, around this resistance, we expecting to see the market respecting this area. If the market is not going to respect this area, it's where we're going to see a breakout, and the market might do what? The market might start to push the upside, you see. If not, maybe we'll see the market respecting this area and pushing to the lower side. And maybe if that is going to happen, we're going to have something like that, and we can continue with our sell. Why? Because we follow the trend, guys. We follow the trend. Trend, it's our friend. Then mostly when we follow the trend, we don't usually lose that much, you see. That's the strategy there, you see. But still, trading psychology have to be, you're supposed to be like understanding what's really happening with trading psychology and stuff like that, you see. So besides that, let's go straight to gold. What's happening on gold? Gold is still on that sell-off, but I still see that we have some sort of this type of moves. My students understand this type of moves very nicely because I teach them about this stuff. So they know what to do. By the way, they know what to do, even if I do not send you the signal about it. But what I love is they understand that much better. They see what's really happening. And it's nice because we know where to sell, we know where to sell, we know where to buy, we know where to sell. But on a downtrend like this, we understand that, you know what, it's our time to do what, just to follow the sell, because the market is pushing to the to the lower side. 90% of the time, the market is doing what? The market is going down, even though we see some sort of rejections, but the market was going down. That's why we follow that. So what can we do here? There's nothing much that we can do. We're just waiting for the market to push little bit up as we're still following the trend. We're waiting for the market to push little bit up here before we say the market will go down. Up here before they say we sell. Unless if the market is going to break this resistance, is then we can say, okay, it's our time to do what? It's our time to buy. But besides that, we just need to relax. We just need to relax. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand that. US oil. We are on US oil. Oil is now getting higher. It's going up. Once you see the market doing something like this, especially on US oil, just know that the prices are usually going up. What do we see here? We are on an uptrend on US oil, as you can see. You can easily see that. That is a very nice uptrend. But on top here, we had an area where we can call that, okay, a resistance. Now we saw that the market just broke out of that. And to confirm that, you can see that the market came around that area and respected that area. And on the second time also, the market respected that area. Let me try to zoom that so that you can see nicely. The market tried to respect that twice. So what do we expect? We expect the market to push higher. But a nice strategy that you can do, you can say, okay, for you to be safe, you can say that area, it's our higher high for now. Then if the market breaks that area, we can get the market around that area. The market will continue pushing up, maybe come back and push up, maybe come back, something like that, you see, something like that. So you should know about stuff like this, because already you already have to see further something that is not happening, because you've been in the market, you understand what might happen. That's why we draw all these things. So this is what I think it might happen, you see. Yes, there is a possibility that the market might not do that, but mostly the market will create those type of moves, you see. So yes, there's a chance that maybe the market might also come back, but for now, the market just trying to push the upside. So we're not going to talk much about that. So for now, we see the market pushing to the upside because it's on an uptrend. Guess what? We are on US30. I'm trying to be as fast as possible. Why? Because I'm already late. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. We are on US30. Yesterday, we did it, even though the market did not seriously go lower, like aggressively. Why? Because I think maybe the market is trying to recover, guys. Don't you see that? It seems like we are very close to recovery, even though things are still worse, but maybe slowly the market will get used to that and start to recover. That's what I'm thinking, you see. So this is no longer matter. This is no longer matter. This is no longer matter. Now we are on this area. You see that we are still on a downtrend. We don't have to forget that we are still on a downtrend, which means the market is still trying to do what? To push to the lower side. You see that nicely. So which means the market is actually doing what? Going down. And we don't have to go against this. We don't have to go against it. So what do we have now? We will know very well. We will know that very quickly if the market is going to break this resistance of ours here. If the market goes beyond that, we will confirm and say, you know what? The market is now on that breakout, and now we expect the market to do what? To push the upside. But you should know that mostly when the market breaks out, sometimes the market won't give you a nice move. The market might start to consolidate before starting to push the upside. Let's expect that, by the way. So I hope you understand it. But here we can see that we don't have to fall for anything and start to buy now, because what if the market is just doing the same thing as here? The market just pushed up and pushed lower, pushed up and pushed lower, even here. So even this area, we're not going to play games with there. But what I can do is around this area, we should have a sell pending order, by the way, if the market will keep continuing with the trend, because we are still on a downtrend, by the way. So we don't have to say just because we see the market trying to push up, now we forget about the trend. No, we're still on a downtrend. We can still have those sell pending orders. If the market respects that, it will find our order ready, you see. So don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to like the video. Let's go on NASDAQ, my favorite, by the way. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? NASDAQ is also doing the same thing, by the way. You can see that we actually made money, actually very bit small, actually, yesterday on NASDAQ, because around this area we had an area like that. So let me remove that. We had an area where we can say that maybe it's a resistance. The market pushed lower and reached this area then before pushing to the upside, you see. So what's really happening here? What's really happening? Firstly, for you to not get confused, firstly, understand that, you know what, we are on a downtrend. And on a downtrend, it doesn't mean that the market won't push up. We can see nicely that, I'm trying to zoom this so that you can see. You can see that along the way, the market did go up. The market did go up. And even now, there is a possibility that the market might reach this area and push the lower side. Do you see that? So don't just say, oh, the market is recovering, it's time to buy. Nope. We buy when the market breaks out of that resistance, because for now the market is still respecting that. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, let's remove some of these. So, let me just leave that there. I think still valid, by the way. Let me remove these. Don't fight the market, guys. Don't overtrade. Don't fight the market. Learn to apply your risk management at all times, you see. So what's really happening here is we still see that this thing is still respecting whatever that we have, and currently it seems like the market is trying to push the lower side. Do you see that? So it means there's a chance that the market might keep going. The market might still go in lower. So that's really that's what I see. So it means maybe the market is respecting this area. The market is respecting this area, and we might see another sell-off, and we have to be ready for that. So another thing is, there is a possibility that the market might push the upside. And maybe break this area. And if it breaks that area, we're going to see that. We don't have to rush the market and say, oh, we start to buy and whatever. Nope. We have an area to help us when the market is about to break. Do you see that? I hope you see that. So now, since the market is still respecting this structure, we can still have a sell pending order as nice as that. You see, if the market keeps going lower, it's fine. Then we will see what's really happening. But I don't really encourage people to trade before the market open, because most likely the market will consolidate and you end up losing and you blame us. So if I don't send any signal now, just know that I will send them later on, and I will send most of them. So you don't have to cry and stuff like that. You just have to relax, because we care, or I care about you. So I don't want anyone to lose. So let's just relax and see what might happen. So this is what we do. We don't have to trade NASDAQ pre-market. There's no point trading. We can maybe trade German 30 or German 40, France 40, UK 100. Why? Because currently the market opened. We can trade that. Every move that we're going to see, that it's a real move. But pre-market, the market will just hold us the whole day. Then we lose when the market open, and then after it goes in our favor. So just because we don't want to lose, or we just want to minimize or reduce the losses, we just have to know our stuff. We have to wait until the market open. If you don't have that patience, is not my problem. You can deal with that if maybe you're just waiting for me just to send unnecessary signals. I hope you understand that. So again, if you want to talk to me, if you want to WhatsApp me about joining my mentorship, is $200, 12 months. Then you're going to get some good stuff. Also, the signals there, you see. Then if you want monthly stuff, when you get only signals, it's only $45. There is my WhatsApp or Telegram. Just talk to me there. Yeah, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I hope you're gonna go. We're going to be like profitable later on. Don't forget that we're gonna go live, guys. We're gonna go live again as usual. Actually, we just do this thing every day. I don't have to remind you, but if maybe you knew, just know that later on we go live here on YouTube and we go see what's really happening on NASDAQ. And don't forget to hit that notification. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friend. This is Kenzo. Xtrahot Forex. Bow.